What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This week I'm going to do something very special for you guys. I'm going to show off all the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 cases that I have and the ones that I definitely recommend to you guys. So every day we're going to go over each case, and at the end we're going to show all the cases, and I'm going to let you guys know which one is the best one, because I know one of the gripes and complaints about having this beautiful beast of the device is that the cases are very limited. Some of them don't protect the hinge, some of them aren't aesthetically pleasing. So we're gonna go over some of them, the ones I recommend as well. I don't have every single case for this phone, so don't expect every single one, but throughout this week I'm gonna show you guys about 7. So we're gonna keep this short and sweet. I'm gonna try to keep each video to about 5, maybe 6 minutes, so you guys can see what the case looks like, let you know how much it costs, and also see how it looks with the phone on it, or with it on the phone. So if you're new to the channel and you're gonna appreciate these upcoming videos, and if any of this content is helpful, please, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out. And if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. It definitely helps me in the YouTube algorithm space. So without any further ado, Spidey, you're my official timekeeper. Don't mess this up, or I'm coming for you, son. I'm coming for you. Anyways, so I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 right here. I do have the D brand MKBHD wrap on the back. This is my baby right here. I love it. Matte feel, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the first case on the lineup. This is the official Samsung Aramid case for the Z Fold 3. This case is very thin, very thin. It's kind of it's not as flimsy as you might think, but it's pretty sturdy for it to be kind of flimsy as far as this part right here, but it does not come off when you put it on. I wouldn't call this like a microfiber feel, but it's definitely some type of minimal, very minimal 3D texture on here. So when you have this phone, it's going to feel very nice in your hand. When you're rubbing it and doing all that good stuff, you're trying to show it off, it has a nice little pattern that you can kind of look at. The camera bump is kind of raised, but not too much. So when you sit it on the table flat, it's going to be a little bit of a rocking, but there's no hinge protection on this case. And this is an official case through Samsung. You can get this for about 80 bucks. It might be a little bit cheaper now. You can get it on Amazon as well. But I definitely recommend this case. This is definitely one of my top cases. So without any further ado, let's put this on here. So all you gotta do is snap the top on, and then snap the bottom on if it's perfect. And then as far as the top portion, it has all your cutouts on here, your speaker grill, microphone area. That's about it. You can get to your controls. It's a nice little cutout right here that you can see. Oh, there we go. Nice little cutout that you can see. So you can get to all your controls right here. No issues with the top portion being in the way or this portion being in the way. This also works with your chargers, so you won't have any issue getting to that charging port. Everything's plugged in pretty smooth. They have a pretty decent cutout for the charger. Okay, so plugging it up anywhere, you won't have any issues. Any kind of charger you get will plug right in. So this is it on the phone. Make sure you press this down because there is an adhesive on the top portion. No adhesive on the back portion, but there is adhesive on this strap right here. I did add my own adhesive to this part just to make sure this stays on, because I noticed it was kind of slipping, or it was like moving when I did this a couple times. But this is what it looks like, man. It's very slim, still keeps it true to its actual size. No bulkiness on this at all, so you won't have to worry about it being too big in your pocket. It's pretty true to size, but you can pretty much take this thing anywhere. Like I said, there's no hinge protection, so if you drop it like this, it is what it is. I don't really have issues dropping my phone. It's pretty much in one spot most of the time. But you can get to all your controls by swiping to the left. So for example, you can get to everything swiping to the left, so this bump on here doesn't affect you swiping left or right. Like I said, you can get to your controls just fine. Nothing's blocking anything, and you can charge just fine. So, like I said, short and sweet. That is the Samsung Aramid case. I definitely recommend this case. It is one of my top, if not the first, is definitely in a close second cases for this phone. Okay, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one, and that will be tomorrow, so stay tuned. Peace. Let's get it, Spidey, where I'm at on time. We at 5 minutes. All right then, let's get it.